Welcome to Jeju Diaries. Today, we are taking you on a journey to one of Jeju Island's most enchanting destinations, the Ecoland Theme Park. Ecoland boasts three main attractions, all connected by a charming train ride that offers a truly magical experience. From the train station located at the main gate, you can buy a train ticket and board the train. From the moment you step onto the train at the main gate, you are in for a treat. The open windows allow you to feel the fresh air from both sides, enchanting the beauty of the journey. As the train winds its way through the park, you will be surrounded by breathtaking scenes that seems like straight out of a Harry Potter movie. At each stop, the railway staff greet you with warm, welcoming gestures. After disembarking, you can explore each spot at your own pace before hopping back on the train to continue your adventure. This charming wooden bridge, adorned with vibrant yellow flowers, lead you into a world of natural beauty and give you the feeling of living in some fantasy land of stories. This location is a beautiful, quiet spot with a narrow waterway flowing through a lush green forest. The trees are tall and leafy, creating a sense of peace and tranquility. The water is calm and clear, reflecting the green foliage. It is a perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and enjoy nature. As you walk along the wooden walkway, you can feel the nature texture underfoot, adding to the sensory experience. There is even a little bridge to cross, perfect for a leisurely stroll as you breathe in the fresh air. The gentle sound of birdsong and flowing water creates a peaceful symphony that soothes the soul. This beautiful guest house sits right on the edge of a serene lake. The whitewashed walls and red-tiled roof look so charming against the lush green trees. And that bridge, it is like something out of a fairy tale, leading you straight into this peaceful oasis. I can just imagine waking up here every morning to this breathtaking scenery. Take a look at these adorable swan boats, all lined up and ready for a relaxing ride around the lake. Picture yourself gliding across the calm waters with a friend or loved one, enjoying the gentle breeze and stunning scenery. It is a magical experience that you will want to capture and cherish. This is such a magical experience, sitting in this adorable swan boat, gliding across the calm waters and taking in this breathtaking view of the guest house is pure bliss. The whitewashed walls and charming architecture of the guest house are so picturesque, and the lush green trees surrounding it create a sense of tranquility. As we gently glide around the lake, I can't help but notice how the scenery changes with every turn. It is like discovering a new world. I can feel the stress melting away as I soak in the beauty of this place. This is definitely a must-do activity for anyone visiting here. As I step onto this brick path, it is like I am walking into a fairy tale. The path winds its way through a lush green field, leading towards a majestic windmill standing tall against the cloudy sky. The windmill's white walls and brown roof contrast beautifully with the vibrant greenery, creating a picture-perfect scene. Imagine a path, soft and earthy, winding its way through an endless carpet of emerald green. Towering trees stand as silent guardians on either side, their leaves whispering secrets to the gentle breeze. The sky above is a masterpiece of blues and whites, with fluffy clouds casting playful shadows on the verdant landscape. It is a scene that invites you to slow down, breathe deep, and simply be present in the moment. As we continue, we encounter a truly fascinating spot. Gorgeous white orbs hanging from tree branches, casting a soft, dreamy glow. It feels like we have stepped into a secret garden, a hidden gem within Ecoland. This floral tunnel of vibrant hydrangeas is nothing short of breathtaking. The shades of blue, purple and white blend together, creating a stunning display. As you walk along, the soft petals brush against you, leaving behind a delicate fragrance. It is like stepping into a fairy tale where nature's beauty takes center stage. After fully exploring the first stop, it is time to hop back on the train and head to our next destination. Welcome to the whimsical world of hobbits. This charming hobbit hole, nestled amidst lush greenery, is an invitation to step into a fantastical realm. With its round door painted a cheerful yellow, inviting you to enter in a cozy interior just peeking out, it is like a scene straight out of the Lord of the Rings. Imagine the warmth and comfort within, the smell of freshly baked bread, and the sound of laughter echoing through the halls. This is the perfect spot for a tea party with Bilbo Baggins and his friends. This area also offers plenty of picture-perfect spots and even a playground for kids, making it a fun and magical stop for visitors of all ages. After enjoying our time at the second stop, it is time to board the train once more and head to the final destination of our Ecoland adventure. And here we are at the heart of Ecoland, the Lavender Fields. This place is like something out of a dream, with vibrant purple hues blending seamlessly into the lush green landscape. The fragrance of lavender is simply intoxicating, making it a popular spot for relaxation and reflection. It is a perfect place to unwind, whether you are a photography enthusiast or just looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. After the peaceful tranquility of the lavender fields, we now find ourselves in a completely different world, a world of horses. These majestic creatures are so curious and full of life. There is a sense of freedom and wildness about them. even within the confines of the paddock. It is clear that these horses are well loved and cared for, and watching the connection between them and the visitors is truly heartwarming. And that's a wrap for this trip. Thanks for joining us on this magical journey through Ecoland Theme Park. See you in the next adventure.